going back pro, ride on. Jolly Ranchers and...
Wow. This whole thing is banana. And on the side of the box, I got 4 more banks. Hey, yo, is that Mexican OT? Used to be 14 tins in here.
Whoa.
So basically, I had 14 tins in a V.
Okay.
It was 14 over, 7 over there and 7 over here. So basically, I just took this baffle out and rebuilt that baffle for 4 15s. You just slapped a port wall.
Yep, a loading wall to the fourth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Time to mess with it.
Yes, sir.
I need to mess with it so it'll actually play lower.
Yeah, got it. Nice. So what is your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Marty Maddox.
Okay.
4 Pride M45 15s. Ran on 4 Salt 8s.
Wow. Are those, what are these subs rated at?
4,500.
Okay. I don't think I've ever seen these before.
But right then, it was probably peaking out at 6,000 watts per sub.
Okay. Wow.
When it was playing. Probably
yes, sir.
When the loudest stuff hit, it was probably around 6,000.
Okay. Nice. Did a good job. What's the lithium and alternator power?
Right now it's an Autotech. It's got an Autotech. All I've got is an Autotech 320 because that's all I can fit.
Yep. Got it.
I got 12 banks of Plananos.
Oh, okay. Got it. Keeping your good voltage, yeah.
I got a lot of battery.
Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I just slapped this together last week. It's not tuned or anything. I just slapped it together.
Really? Oh, so you just finished the box and all, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this past week. I mean, it's just a temporary port. Nice.
Yeah. Nice.
It's a lot of battery power. I just don't have enough alternator to push it.
Yes, sir. So, 1 per sub?
Yeah.
Do you have them at 1 ohm or?
Yeah, 0.3.
0.3. Oh, wow. Okay, 0.3. So you have some wiggle room. Okay. Nice.
0.3 each.
Wow, got it. Nice.
But all of this whole thing is banana. And then on the side of the box, I got 4 more banks.
Okay.
You can't see them.
Yeah, you're hidden. Nice.
I don't have enough alternator power.
Okay, thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you.
Not even hot.
Yeah. Yeah. Be sure to give him a like. Crazy.
That Mexican OT. That good dog got me looking like Johnny Dang. Louis Vuitton, brother, when I walk through the wine in the kitchen, whipping chicken, kind of bread like kind. Good dog got me Mexican looking like Johnny Dang. Deep money, water, big grandma.
Whose is this? Oh, hey man. Oh, Jacob is doing YouTube video.
Put on the coat, my ice froze. Riding foes, I'm poking out on nice toes. Drive slow, my trunk up and the lights glow. When I see it so low to the ground, I might scrape. Didn't think in its pain, I might flake. Riding down 288, the top fake. Tell him it's to shake down, lay face down. these things fuck around, they get bossed up. I be eating the booty, let's out, they get it. Low star, sipping lean with big arm pie. I stay out the way. Don't call me for sleep. I ain't saying no, but bitch come by. See the streets getting dry, finna go and take a trip. Let's deal. Ay. Wait a minute, I'm in it, can't pretend to keep it tinted with my business. I'm relentless, ain't no witness. I got time for the house. Bitches get arraigned.
Got a bag full of them dishes. Our business, cooking big cookies in the kitchen, chopping his scared nigga. He ain't got no cover, put him in the toaster. I don't like snakes in my gas, but I miss them. I know it, I be counting the money, but I be sitting on the two put the front and the back, and we kick in the dog. I'm a vice, and I'm taking your money. The dog in the black ice, young and Mexican. I'm plugged in with real ice. Back to the section, bitch, I'm a real 30 to bye-bye, be living. Take it straight to the streets and I get them. Around say the wrong thing, you could die today. Oh, how time straight up the beat, baby. You was overseas, still checking my sway. Still hitting licks, moving off the Greyhound. Watch it for the
Wow. It really don't like, I just slapped this together last week. It's not tuned or anything. I just slapped it together.
Really? Oh, so you just finished the box and all, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this past week.